Ganda. Ganda naman. Parang hotel, no? Sige, so dito muna ako.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Tawagin ko na lang muna.
Sige, thank you. Okay, so we are here at Mediclinic Parkview Hotel. I mean, Parkview Hospital. That looks like a hotel. So we've been coming here for the past year for Camille's yung pregnancy. Yung OB namin sa Dubai dito. And don't worry, I'm not in trouble. Endoscopy lang. Pero yun nga, endoscopy lang pero may private room ka. But tapos, you know, insured. And of course, kabayan nurses. So you feel kind of, you know, you feel at home. And then yung doctor ko maayos rin. I've seen it a few times. Meron akong problem sa acid. It's been a chronic problem. So sabi ng doctor, sige, endoscopy na. So yun, I waited for a while for my insurance to be approved. And eto na tayo ngayon.
For food, sir, after your procedure.
Mag-order na?
Yes, sir.
Ano yung menu natin?
Yes, sir.
Grabe naman tong hospital na to. May menu pa. After ng procedure, a 30-minute procedure,
Yeah.
meron silang menu na ina-offer. And then, pwede ka magpahinga dito for 2 to 3 hours. Ano yung masarap, ma'am? Ano pa yung breakfast natin? Chicken sausage.
Sausage.
Tapos, pwede may eggs.
Opo.
Scrambled eggs. Tapos, pwede may bread. Croissant. At saka orange juice. Yeah, yun na.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mary Jill. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mabilis lang to, sir.
Hindi talaga ako ready. Takot ako.
Sarap kayo.
Ay, tagalin ko yung medyas ko. Ano? Or pwede i-keep ko na yung medyas ko.
Okay na, keep, sir.
Dito sa kabila.
Sige po.
Kanan.
I'll be very gentle.
Promise.
Opo. Gentle nga tayo sa ibang lahi. Sa inyo pa kaya. Ayan, maganda naman yung venue, sir.
O, sige.
Very visible.
Ah,
Lamig nyo, sir, hanggang dito.
kasi takot na takot talaga ako.
Ayan, okay lang yan. I'll try my best, sir.
Ayan.
Okay?
Sa boses pa lang alam mo na hindi ka sasaktan eh.
Ay, my gana.
Teka lang, kuritin ko muna sarili ko. Para,
Wala kayong mararamdaman, sir, promise.
okay. Magaling ka. Pero sakit sa ulo. I mean, sakit sa mind. Kasi,
Ito lang yung hardest thing. Ito lang.
Oo.
The procedure itself, tulog kayo. Rest
okay.
assured.
Hello. Ito na yung ating breakfast. Anong meron? Ay, pwede dito.
Your order, sir, is scrambled egg and sausage
Wow.
and croissant.
Okay. And croissant. Tingin ng croissant.
This is the croissant, sir.
Okay. O, sige.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ano nga to ulit? Queenie?
Ano yan siya? Working on wheels. Computer on wheels. Bali, mobile namin na.
So, hindi ko na kailangan magpa-discharge.
Hindi na. Dito na. From
Dito.
here, diretso na discharge.
Tears. Grabe. High-tech. So, ito lang yung permahan ko.
Pipirmahan niyo po for discharge.
Then, suotin ko lang yung damit ko. Uwi na ako. Thank you, Queenie.
Thank you, sir.
Matagal ka na dito?
Matagal na po.
Ilang years na?
With Mediclinic, 7 years. 8 years na yata.
Wow.
This November.
Wow. Sa Dubai,
9 years po.
9 years. Happy naman.
Happy with Mediclinic.
Nice. Let's go home and go to work. It's a Saturday, so wala masyadong tao. Hello.
Homegrown, let's look at the nomination. Fantastic entities who have made it thus far. All winners, Homegrown. Favour, make some noise. Homegrown goes to... Wow, look at that for a response. Favourite Homegrown Kia Filipino Eatery!
Congrats.
You have won the best homegrown.
Last night was crazy. Grabe. Still sinking in. It's like giving birth or di naman. Iba yung giving birth. It's wala lang. It's just such a special occasion for us and for Filipino food and for our culture na na-recognize tayo, nabigyan tayo ng spotlight and mamaya mag-recap tayo. Ngayon hindi pa talaga nagsisink in pero I'm here at Kuya right now and we are going to show them the award. Nandyan. I-display natin yung plaque na yan. Ito siya. Look at that, guys. Yun. We got favorite homegrown restaurant in Dubai 2024. Last year, na-nominate kami. We just didn't make the cut. This year, I guess it's our time. And, yun nga, we're gonna display this sa ating restaurant para makita ng lahat, makita ng mga staff natin what they're working hard. You know, teka lang, naubusan ako ng English. Makita ng staff natin kung ano yung pinagtatrabahuan nila. Tapos pag nawawalan sila ng gana or napapagod sila, tingnan lang nila to kasi ito yung why. Ito yung dahilan bakit natin ginagawa to. And to all our customers, thank you for being part of our journey. Thank you for being part of this Filipino food forward movement. We have a long way to go, but baby steps. Thank you, Salmon. Love it. Ganun ba rin kayo pag may nagugustuhan kayong shoes, araw-araw nyo sinusuot? Ako, di ba yung iba palit-palit. Ako naman, sa damit, palit talaga ako. Never ako nagre-repeat. Siguro yung rotation ko may 3 weeks. Sa sapatos, wala. Araw-araw. Okay. Dali na natin ang plaka. And uwi akong Pilipinas for a few weeks to pick up Camille and Finn. And bye-bye, Anika. That's JC. Welcome to Dubai.
Hi, Chef.
How are you?
You know, it's my first time in Dubai.
Talaga?
Yeah, it's my first time ever.
And how's the food so far?
I haven't really tasted the local food because usually what I do is tasting menus.
Right. Meron akong re-refer mamaya sa'yo
So
na...
I think that's the next. After this event, tapos na yung event last night.
Oo.
So that's what I want, to try the local food.
Guys, follow nyo siya sa Instagram. What's your IG name again?
JC the Foodie.
JC the Foodie. Lahat ng mga... Actually, I do listen to his recommendations. Galing. Yun yung Bible natin.
Ito yung sa ano.
Pag napapagod tayo, tingnan nyo lang yan. That's Jess, our manager. JC was visiting. Bigat na food vlogger yan. Okay. Recap lang with everything. So, teka lang, saan ba ako mag-start? Alright. I've been here in Dubai for 2.5 weeks. And yun, yung pinaka-recent natin na sa hospital. So, nagpa-endoscopy ako. So far, so good naman daw. Wala naman problema. Nagpa-physio ako. Health-wise. And nagpa-dentist ako. Yan. Anyway, and then yun. Work naman. Where do I start? Parang grabe. It was a jam-packed 2.5 weeks. We did the event, then checked on Kuya, trained, touch base with the chefs, touch base with our heads, yung mga managers natin, mga head chefs natin, spoke to some of our staff. Yeah, and then got an award. Crazy. And ito, ngayon I'm actually going to the airport. And I'm super emotional because it's like a mix of everything, highs and lows. Pero lows in a positive way. Highs, the stuff that we've achieved, the stuff that we're still gonna do. Meaning we got an award, pero we still have a long way to go. And I guess, basta, kayod lang tayo ng kayod. Anyway, I'm emotional because yung next kong balik dito, kasama na si Baby Finn. And miss na miss ko na sila. I can't wait to see them. I can't wait to smell Finn. And I also can't wait to see our dog, Chuleta. And of course, my love of my life, Camille. I shall see you soon. I miss you so much. Okay, tara na. Medyo late na tayo. So, off na lahat ng mga kuryente. Off na yung AC. Okay. Outfit check. 2 pockets, passport, wallet, etc. Bye-bye. See you in a few weeks with Baby Finn. Alright, let's go. Ito yung itsura ng rush hour sa Dubai. Average speed 20. Then yan ang fast lane. Siguro lilipat tayo dun para baka madagdagan ng 10 kilometers. Okay, uwi na tayo.
Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew.
Thank you, Philippine Airlines, for taking me home. Touchdown, Manila. And dito na naman tayo sa San Juan. I am craving for a soup dish. And I've been wanting to come here for a really long time. I'm really starting to like San Juan. Ang daming mga cool spots dito na mga solid yung concept and masarap. Ayun! There it is. Wait, is this a car wash in front? Ayan. Close na daw. Okay, anyway. Dito tayo sa Charlie's Wonton. Special. Mukhang busy. Mukhang walang parking. At saka maraming kumakain talaga dito. Wala na talaga? Ubus na?
Opo, wala na po siopaw, siomay. Noodles na lang po.
Sige. Balik na ako.
Alas 6 pa nga lang sir eh.
6 pa lang na, uubos na?
Nakakaubusan na.
So ano kailan dapat pupunta dito?
Per weekdays.
Weekdays?
Oo, sigurado.
After lunch?
2.
Mga 2?
2 sir.
Okay yan.
5.
Sobrang gutom pa naman ako. Okay. Silip lang tayo kasi wala na nga. Lain na ng narating natin. Tingin na lang tayo. Wow, lupit. Okay, mukhang super legit to. Look at his movements. Look at his, yung kanyang wrist action. Hi, hello. Naka-waiting rin kayo?
Off na daw po. Take out na lang daw.
Take out na lang kayo? Sad. Nakakain na kayo dito?
No, it's our first time.
So naririnig nyo na rin siya?
One night.
Shoots. Dito na lang tayo kaya kakain sa labas.
Bawal daw po.
Bawal kumain dito? Grabe naman.
Medyo masunod sila.
Really? Tingnan na natin. Yung maliit lang. Beef wonton mami. Yun yung pinaka-specialty, no? Sige. Okay lang. Bayad na ako dito. 305. Yung noodles kayo rin magawa. Yung bola-bola kayo. Lahat. Wow. Teka lang, so in order kong beef wonton, mami, walang bola-bola yan, ano? Wonton lang at beef brisket lang. Okay. Sorry, kuya. Mabilis na ako. Hi, kuya. Grabe. Ang ganda. Jeez, sana makakain tayo. Kaso lang, look at that, may pila. And bawal palang kumain sa labas. Yun ako nga ulit.
Sige ma, sir. Picture mo yan, sir.
Ganda, sir. Grabe, sobrang ganda.
Ha?
Sobrang ganda.
Ayoko.
Maganda. Okay. Upo muna tayo dito. Yun, yung kanina yung na-meet natin. Kanina pa rin sila naghihintay and they're so happy na nakakuha sila ng seat kasi dapat takeaway na lang sila. And finally, nabigyan sila ng upuan. So, yun. Nandito ako sa labas, nakatingin sa kanila na naglalaway. Alam mo yun, ito yung, if you know what I mean, ito. Dito tayo para mas malapit tayo sa kanila. Tingnan na lang natin sila. Manamis na miss yung sabaw. Okay lang i-shoot ko kayo.
Punta na po yung face ko.
Wag yung face mo. Bakit wag yung face mo? Talaga?
Ganito po tay-tay eh. Ganito po kami tay.
Sa lagay na yun, hindi pa yan naayos?
Wow Baka
Baka pumayag ka? Ayun. Anyway, wow. Ay, sorry. Sorry, bigla na ako nag-invade sa inyo.
Hindi po kayo pinayagan
Hindi,
mag-Marina.
ayun. Nabigyan ako ng seat. Okay, bye-bye guys. Thank you. Yeah, congrats sa atin na naghintay. Thank you. Yun. Try the wonton. Lasa mo agad yung sesame oil. And yung texture ng meat niya, hindi yung grounded, parang hand chop. Lam. Tap. The egg noodles is so eggy. It tastes so fresh. Parang kumakain ka ng fresh pasta. Pero egg noodles. The brisket is a bit dry for me. It's good taste though. It's tender. Pero siguro the meat hindi siya yung it's a bit lean. Tsaka walang taba. Well, siguro yung nakuha ko lang walang taba. Yeah, chili garlic. Hello, sir. Sarap may chili garlic. I'd come back here, for sure. Galing, galing.
Simple lang naman yan.
Hindi simple to, no? Yung ginagawa nyo iba, yung galawan nyo sa kusina. Galing. Hindi, totoo. Siyempre, kusinero rin tayo. Alam mo yung galawan. Parang nanonood ka ng isang basketball player na, marunong to, marunong. Yun, pag nakita ko kayo sa salamin, parang, ay, may galaw. So kung kahit may pila, pwede. No? Tama ba, sir? No? Happy ka. Happy ka sa... Ayan.
Masarap yung matagal na kami kumakain.
Matagal na kayo. And it's remained good.
Yeah, consistent.
Oh. yun yung mga comment pa. Ayun, si ate nakasmile na. Kanina nakasimangot yan. Dahil sa sobrang busy. Hindi dahil suplada siya. Dahil sobrang busy lang.
Ayun, yan.
Ikaw mukha ka ng... Yung itsura mo mukha ng gusto na umuwi. Yan. Pagod na. O sige, pahinga na. Marami sa... Sir, thank you ah. Thank you. Pwede ba magpa-picture sa inyo? Hindi, totoo. Ito yung respect. Uwi na. Uwi ka na.
Maya pa kami ka, maglilinis.
Ano oras ka nag-start?
10.
10 ng umaga? Wow. So 12 oras, ganun. 12 hours, ganun. May kasamang break.
Diretso siya.
Well, Sabado tuloy-tuloy, you know?
May overtime.
Sige, pahinga na. Yung favorite ko dito sa Charlie's Wonton is obviously the wontons and the egg noodles. It's so good. And it smells so good. It's so yellow. I mean, it's so eggy, tasty. This is parang one of my favorite egg noodles here in Manila. Ate, thank you ah.
Salamat, sir.
Uwi ka na. Pahinga ka na. Mamaya pa.
Mamaya pa po.
Tama ka. Masarap na yung egg noodles ate. Thank you, Charlie, for a lovely meal. Ang dami na nag-vlog nito eh. Dami na nag-feature nito. And I get the charm. It's good. And these are the places that I, look up to and I admire and I aspire to be, because through the years they've remained consistently good. Not a lot of branches. Again, one of those, hole-in-the-wall places. Hindi siya masyado... I guess it's like everyone's little secret. Everyone's kind of gatekeeping it. But at the same time, it's been there forever. And if you know type. And wala, it's just... I'm happy. Alam mo, saan ako pinaka-happy? Happy ako sa dalawang kusinero. Si Danny and si Fidel. Ang galing nila. They're so passionate. They're so into what they're doing. So, bilang kusinero, respect.